This is the elevator at Amberson Gardens 1 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, I believe. Just like all the other 3 elevators here, this is yet another vintage Haughton elevator. Originally had black buttons, but got a slop on one in the 70s with EPCO WR or Flushline. 4 buttons pushed in. Industrial commercial maintains this. This one does not serve a B level, like the other 2 will go down A. One of them even serves a C level. Here we go now. This one's a buzzing light fixture, fluorescent. Here A. Buttons do not light up. This one has the fastest doors, roll up to 6. Interior go out. A went dimmer when it started up. That's weird. I think they're dimmer when it's moving. It has a power issue. They flicker a little too. Now listen to the motor shut off. Level. Go back down to 1. Relays. Certificate. Haughton logo. This originally had carpet underneath that was either, I think that may be, I don't know what that is. Basic dark green carpeting. Fan is off. There's on car 4, there's really annoying fan. Haughton. Here back at 1. And the doors stay open when it's not in use, so that's going to be it.